Sunny Health and Fitness has a T1407M manual walking treadmill with LCD display, compact folding, portability wheels, and 220 lb max weight. Excellent cardio benefits. This affordable treadmill will help you start your fitness journey. Walking can significantly improve mental and physical health. The compact design of the treadmill will get you into shape, regardless of home size. Compact and ergonomic. This compact, lightweight treadmill is excellent for small spaces. Running surface, 42 x 13 inches. The treadmill is durable and can withstand power walking or light jogging. LCD monitor, track fitness progress on the easy-to-read digital monitor. Treadmill monitor displays time, speed, distance, calories. NON electric, space-saving. Treadmill machine requires no electric outlet needed and remains low maintenance. Easy folding, functionality and transportation. Wheels allow easy mobility and storage. Non-slip running surface. Feel safe and secure on the smooth belt.